her towards the tree. This is raising Jetta. And my son does not know how to lead a horse, so he's trying to lead her to the tree. Go. You're doing good. I said you are doing good. Now, bring her around, turn around, bring her back. Bring her back. That's good. Well, just turn her around you, honey. Pull her around you. There you go. Say, come on. All right, now walk straight back to me. There you go. Good job. Good job.
Kiss the camera.